2026 Suzuki GSXR1000 is one of the most exciting superbikes riders in the United States are talking about. Known for its aggressive styling, racing DNA, and incredible performance, this black color version looks even more powerful and premium. Built by the legendary Japanese manufacturer Suzuki, the 2026 GSX-R1000 continues the brand's long tradition of creating high-performance sport motorcycles inspired by MotoGP racing technology. The first thing you notice about the 2026 Suzuki GSX-R1000 is its stunning glossy black design. The deep black paint combined with red accents and bold Suzuki branding gives the bike a very aggressive and premium appearance. The aerodynamic bodywork is carefully designed to reduce drag and improve high-speed stability. The sharp front fairing, sleek LED headlights, and race-style windscreen make the bike look like it came straight from professional racing track. Under the fairings, the 2026 GSX-R1000 is powered by a powerful 999 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine. This engine is designed to deliver incredible speed, smooth acceleration, and strong performance across the entire RPM range. The bike produces around 200 horsepower, which allows it to reach impressive top speeds and lightning-fast acceleration. Riders can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 2.7 seconds, making it one of the fastest sport bikes in its category. The engine also uses advanced racing technologies, such as variable valve timing, which improves both power and efficiency. This system helps the bike deliver strong performance at high speeds while maintaining better control at lower RPMs. Combined with Suzuki's advanced fuel injection system, the GSX-R1000 offers smooth throttle response and consistent performance on highways and racetracks. Another impressive feature of the 2026 GSX-R1000 is its lightweight aluminum twin-spar frame. This frame helps reduce the bike's overall weight while increasing stability and handling. The bike also features a high-performance suspension system, including adjustable front forks and a rear shock absorber designed for precision handling. Whether riding on twisty roads or straight highways, the GSX-R1000 offers excellent control and rider confidence. Braking performance is equally impressive. The bike is equipped with large dual front disc brakes with advanced Brembo calipers. These provide strong stopping power, even at very high speeds. The motorcycle also includes a modern ABS system that improves braking safety, especially during emergency situations or slippery road conditions. Technology plays a major role in the 2026 Suzuki GSX-R1000. The bike includes multiple riding modes that allow riders to adjust power delivery based on road conditions or riding style. There is also a traction control system that helps maintain grip during aggressive acceleration. A modern digital instrument display provides clear information about speed, RPM, gear position, fuel level, and riding mode settings. Comfort has also been improved in this model. The seat is designed for both performance and long-distance riding, and the riding position balances sportiness with comfort. Even though it is a high-performance superbike, riders can still enjoy longer rides without excessive fatigue. Now, let's talk about the price. In the United States market, the expected starting price of the 2026 Suzuki GSX-R1000 is around $17,500 to $18,500, depending on the trim level and optional features. Special editions or upgraded packages may cost slightly more. Considering its performance, technology, and racing heritage, many riders believe it offers excellent value compared to other superbikes in the same class. Overall, the 2026 Suzuki GSX-R1000 in black is a perfect combination of speed, style, and advanced engineering. With its powerful engine, race-inspired design, and modern technology, it remains one of the top choices for sport bike enthusiasts in the United States. For riders who want thrilling performance and iconic superbike heritage, the GSX-R1000 continues to be an unforgettable machine.